Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving my raised garden bed area a holiday makeover, and I'm going to be decorating with wreaths, festive lights, and some galvanized steel buckets that I'll be transforming into planters. And I'll also show you how to prep these buckets so that the plants will thrive in them, and they are an inexpensive way to add character to your space. I will also be giving you a quick time lapse of my holiday wreaths. So let's jump right in. So to start things off, I am decorating my own holiday wreaths using some leftover holiday decorations and my trusty cordless hot glue gun. And let me just say, I love this glue gun. It is a total game changer, and it is powered by the Milwaukee 18-volt max lithium ion battery and preheats in just 30 seconds. No cords to deal with, no waiting around, and it is perfect for projects where you are constantly moving around. I'll put a link in the description below for those of you who would like to check it out for yourselves. Next, we decided to hang string lights around the garden beds, and this was a little bit tricky, but I feel like it added a nice touch to our garden area. Decorating the garden isn't just about making it look beautiful, it's about creating memories. And I love involving my kids in projects like this because it's a chance to spend time together and teach them how to use their creativity.
This is a step bit. It has like the different increments, so as you go through it gets a little wider and a little wider, and what that prevents is when you have a regular drill bit and you go through thin metal like this, it wants to kick on you. It'll go through and catch, and then it'll tear the hole up and it'll kick the drill back. This prevents that, so it just kind of steps a little more, a little more. So you can go all the way up to like 1.25 inches, I believe this bit goes to, but down it goes.
Okay, that's a good one.
There you go. Yeah.
These galvanized steel buckets are inexpensive, super versatile, and add so much charm to this space. Plus, they're durable and can handle all kinds of weather, which make them perfect for outdoor planters. To make them plant-friendly, I'm drilling several holes in the base, which will prevent water from pooling and keep the roots healthy. So now that these have the proper drainage, the next step is to add landscape fabric or a plastic sheeting to minimize potential zinc from leaching from the metal. Then I created the right soil conditions by adding a mix of raised garden bed mix, compost, and some perlite and vermiculite for extra aeration. This combination ensures that the plants have plenty of nutrients and good drainage. Alright guys, well that is all for today's project. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this content, and be sure to subscribe. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!